Alright guys, welcome to Gambit Slots. Let's give this a try. It's called Dancing Drums Ultimate Explosion. I have $50 here. That's we'll bet $1.88, 1 cent denom. So that will be like 26 spins. So alright, $50 in the machine. Let's go. Volume check. Let's make it loud, guys. All right. All situated here. Okay. Let's go. One, two, come on. Three, four. Come on, chip, chip, chip. Five. That's five and not even a line hit. Six. Close the pot. Seven. Eight. Nine. Come on. 10 spins and no line hit at all. 11, 12, 13. Come on, line it up. 13 spins. 14. Come on, drums. 15. Wow. 50 cents light hit. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. This is kind of cruel. 26 more spins to go. Let's go. 21. Wow. The first biggest line hit. 22. Come on, drum. 23. 24. Wow, guys. Two more spins. 25. Woohoo! Wow. Last spin. Oh, guys, that's 26 spins, $1.88 bet. $50 in. We're cashing out. 782. Oh, wait. We're leaving. Take care. Nice seeing you guys. Tomorrow again. One more day. There you have it. Grayson just said bye for the evening. Thank you guys. We'll get it next time.